Nestor with Cueto Engineering. Today we're on a residential property in Coral Gables, performing special inspections for steel connections. We're here to make sure that all the steel members are in the proper locations and that all the connections are properly torqued for bolted connections and welds are in the correct configurations with the minimum throat thickness. Follow us along and we'll provide some more information regarding structural steel connections. One of the things we're looking for in those steel bolted connections is to make sure that the bolts are in the proper locations and they're properly torqued. What we have right here is a calibrated torque wrench. This basically tells us the amount of torque that's being applied to the bolt to make sure that we're meeting the minimum vendor specifications for that specific bolt. Let's take a look.